Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a niche that has clear demand and monetization paths. Pick categories where you can add unique expertise. Once done, join 2-3 affiliate networks and register offers that match CPA or recurring models you want to scale. Make sure to buy a short domain and publish a focused landing page with your tracking ID embedded. These initial steps put tracking and legal compliance in place so you can measure what works from day one. You now construct funnels that convert. Design one lead gen funnel with email follow-ups and one direct sell funnel with split test variants. Then produce content targeted to buyer intent, comparison pages, review videos, and ad creatives, so your offers meet users at each stage. Make sure to implement UTM parameters and ad pixels and to test conversion events across devices. Once your creatives and tracking are live, analyze early data to decide which messages to scale and which to iterate. You finish by scaling winners carefully. Increase budget on the top 1-2 ad sets and mirror successful creative variations. Then optimize continuously, improve landing speed, tighten CTAs, refine email sequences, and reposition offers based on conversion maps. If performance declines, troubleshoot methodically. First, verify tracking and conversion ID, then review recent landing changes and traffic quality. Finally, reallocate spend away from low-quality sources and run a short A/B test to confirm fixes before re-expanding budgets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.